Ron Barrett here, owner of linentablecloth.com. In a previous video I made looking to gather together class action folks for our lawsuits to be filed against UPS for their lying, cheating, and stealing, somebody in the comments section challenged me saying that I had not provided proof that UPS had done anything wrong. So, here's some proof. Please don't swipe away just because I will be showing shipping data, which I know can be boring and maybe even difficult to understand. I'll do my best to present the evidence clearly. Now, UPS representatives claim to be your business partner and that they will look out for your best interests when they're romancing you to sign a shipping agreement with them. During our court trial, our former UPS rep literally said, like he had numerous times over the past decade, that UPS was Linen Tablecloth's business partner. But being a true business partner is just UPS puffery. It's meaningless. UPS has no intention of telling a shipper the truth if it will reduce the amount of money UPS receives from that shipper. They put all responsibility for keeping them honest on the shipper. If you don't believe me, read their contract and see that it's extremely one-sided. The whole thing is an exercise in shifting responsibility for honest, correct billing onto the customer. During our 4-year-long lawsuit, UPS admitted that they scan 100% of the packages they ship. So they absolutely know the correct package sizes. When a shipper understates the package, UPS corrects the package information and charges more. But when a shipper overstates a package, says it's larger or weighs more than it actually does, UPS does not correct the package information, nor do they inform the shipper that they're being overcharged on that package. They simply keep the extra money. As the judge in our trial said about UPS, heads you win, tails you win. This policy is unconscionable because this practice is completely one-sided. It benefits UPS only. Common law says that this practice is outright theft. But interestingly, in the UPS contracts that you must sign if you want to regularly ship with UPS, it states that you are giving up your common law rights by signing the contract. So you're essentially agreeing to allow them to steal from you. Here's an example of an overstated package size where Linen Tablecloth got wildly overbilled by UPS. First of all, the package was not 10 feet long, or actually the 112 inches that UPS billed us for. Here's what we actually shipped. This. A shipper looked at our website and looked at the product and saw that the product can go out to 108 inches when it's fully extended. But we didn't ship it like that. UPS scans 100% of the packages that they ship. They know damn well that this was this size and not this size. This was $1,000. But if the package was really as long as UPS billed us for, they couldn't have even shipped it because it wouldn't fit in an air shipping container or their trucks. So, you tell me, is that honest? Is that fair? Is that right? I don't think so. UPS cheats? No. Well, if you understate a package weight, we scan every one of them, so we'll know you tried to cheat us, and we'll upcharge you for the correct weight. But if you overstate a package weight, we get to charge you the higher price. And we won't let you know we've done that because we won't tell you or put our package scan data in the invoices. And unless you somehow figure out you overpaid us within 180 days, we'll keep your money. That's not cheating at all. Here's an example where Linen Tablecloth was wildly overcharged on package weight. This order had 63 tablecloths, and UPS claimed one of the boxes weighed 282 pounds, but our records show it shipped in two 18-inch cube boxes. The total order weight was not the 329 pounds that UPS billed Linen Tablecloth for, but 125 pounds, with each box weighing just 62.5 pounds. So Linen Tablecloth was overcharged by almost $60 on a package that UPS supposedly audited. Here's another package where we were significantly overbilled on the package weight. Our system sent wacky dimensions to UPS, and they gladly overcharged us on them. But as you can see from the contents of the package, there is no way they could have fit in a 2-inch high box. Never mind that the box was supposedly 8 feet long. Our records show it was shipped in an 18-inch cube box, and it weighed 52 pounds. But the real question on this package is, where are the UPS package scan dimensions? The package level data shows all zeros. Why? Because, believe it or not, UPS erased the package scan data. They admitted this in court, and the judge sanctioned them. They erased a whole lot of package scan data in order to hide their theft. UPS lied. Never mind, they told me that they were my business partner and that if Linen Tablecloth didn't make money, UPS didn't make money. UPS also said, we don't charge for unshipped packages. Okay, we charge for one unshipped package. Okay. We charge for lots of unshipped packages, but our contract says we can do it. And if you wanted your money back, you'd have to catch us charging for unshipped packages within 180 days, or we'll get to keep it. Here's a shipment we were billed on for a package that we never shipped, because even if we had, there was no deliverable address. See here that the address clearly says test ordered, and there is no street name or street address. If this box had actually shipped, where did UPS leave it? Under the Trenton, New Jersey city sign? If an actual box actually existed, why didn't they charge us to return it back to us? UPS stole? Yeah, UPS sued Linen Tablecloth for money they knew they had no right to collect, since Linen Tablecloth had already overpaid UPS by millions. UPS then admitted in court that it had overbilled Linen Tablecloth, but to this day, not only have they refused to give any money back, they continue to aggressively try to collect more money. This next one is Amazon orders. We paid Amazon for shipping, and Amazon sent us shipping labels. But it appears that UPS charged us a second time for these labels as well. This fact made UPS lawyers at Morrison Forrester crazy. I mean, they filed motion after motion with the court, trying to get us to prove that we had not shipped these boxes. But we couldn't because Amazon had the data, not us. And just like UPS does, Amazon erased the order data. UPS absolutely could have proven whether or not these packages had shipped with UPS Linen Tablecloth generated labels, but they didn't provide proof because they didn't have it, and because these packages never shipped on Linen Tablecloth's UPS account. Again, sorry for the complexity here. This stuff is not easy to understand. I've got so much more proof that UPS lies, cheats, and steals, but I've probably lost half of my audience by now. If you're still watching, God bless you. You're either really smart and patient, or you just like punishment, I guess. Our court system is dirty. Because UPS is a $100 billion a year corporation, it has massive influence and power, and in our case, they succeeded in twisting the system to their favor. Preemption? Yeah. They say they have a get-out-of-jail-free card that Congress gave them that allows them to legally steal. Statute of limitations? Yeah, if you don't discover theft within 180 days, you're screwed. And you have to file a lawsuit against them if you've got any grievance, and you have to do it within 18 months, or you're also screwed. And even if you do succeed in taking them to court, they'll use legal machinations like motions in limine. In our case, we couldn't talk about anything outside the 180-day limit or the 18-month statute of limitations in suing them. In fact, we couldn't even talk about the dollar amount we were overbilled. In hindsight, it's shocking how much we were mistreated and gagged by the court, by the entire legal system. Now, if you're a small business that ships through UPS, I suggest you switch to FedEx as soon as you can. While FedEx is not perfect, they're definitely more honest than UPS. And please consider joining me in the class action lawsuits that we're filing against UPS all over the country. We need to hold UPS accountable and force them to behave honestly and fairly going forward. Otherwise, they'll just continue lying, cheating, and stealing.